Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Quillbot to paraphrase. First, open your browser and go to the Quillbot website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Paraphraser tool. You'll see a large text box where you can paste the text you want to paraphrase. Copy your text and paste it into the input box. Quillbot offers different modes for paraphrasing, such as Standard, Fluency, and Creative. You can select the mode based on how you want the text to be rewritten. For example, Standard mode balances changes and accuracy, while Creative mode introduces more variations. Once you've chosen the mode, click the Paraphrase button. Quillbot will rewrite your text in seconds, maintaining the original meaning but using different words and sentence structures. You'll see the output in the text box on the right. If you want to refine specific words or phrases, you can click on the highlighted suggestions and choose alternatives. After reviewing the output, you can copy the paraphrased text and use it as needed. Quillbot is free to use, but the premium version allows for longer input text and additional modes. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.